Well, we are beyond fortunate. We have been looking for about 4 years for a new Board of Education office. The main criteria was finding a new location that was going to save the taxpayers money. The old location we had at the old Decker building at 719 East Ash was leased. At one time it was leased for $88,000 a year. Lloyd Fry, who's been a great landlord throughout that process, had lowered it down to 68,000. But the utilities and the efficiency of the building and just the fact that it was much bigger space than what we really needed. So we were looking at downsizing. We were looking at trying to find a more efficient building. So we looked at old buildings that we ended up tearing down, maybe remodeling. We looked at current buildings in town. We looked at leasing to own. We looked at even trying to fit our office spaces into some of the current locations. And none of those were feasible due to space or cost or handicap accessibility, those kinds of things. So we just kind of went to the city leaders and said, if you know of any buildings that are opening, let us know and we'll go take a look. So fortunately, I heard from the city manager, Gary Huff, and his assistant, Justin Summer, who shared that the Sunrise Corporation was going to be moving out. They're consolidating their building spaces into one. And came back here and drove by and just wasn't sure if it was big enough, and came inside and took a look, and it fit us like a glove. It was just a perfect setting, a perfect building. The location is great. It's right off of the highway and right down from Indian Trail, which is where our junior high and high school campuses are located. So we came in and took a tour and was just absolutely amazed at how beautiful the building was, how well kept the decor and the furnishings. And in talking to them and explaining what our plans were and how we want this to be a kind of our forever space, we learned that they were willing to donate all this. So they donated all the decor and furnishings, which really just put the space over the top. It was just such a great opportunity for us. So we used money left over from some of the previous sales of properties that we had. We had that in a reserve. And we also got a refund back from the new primary school building projects that we did. We got some refund dollars from that. And the combination of those two allowed us to purchase this building outright, which was great because we didn't have to go to the taxpayers and ask for more money. And the savings of not paying a lease each year, as well as we did a 3-year study on the utilities here versus where we were, we believe between $90,000 to $100,000 we could be saving taxpayer dollars each year. So again, a beautiful place. It became turnkey. All they did was pick up their computers and walk out. So we picked up our computers and telephones and brought them in and brought all of our personal files. And we are here now in a very beautiful location that I think the city will be very proud of and our taxpayers can be very happy about, because we really did work very hard to achieve our goal, which was to save taxpayers dollars.
New building's great. It's going to be a wonderful home for Piqua City Schools Board of Education. Obviously, it makes an incredible amount of sense for us as far as being fiscally responsible, purchase our own building and not have to lease anymore. Cost savings associated with this each year that we can realize finally. And it's incredible that Sunrise Cooperative was willing to leave all this fine furniture for us, and we're blessed to be able to get in here.